Let's see the question number 11. An inductor 20 MHz, a capacitor 100 μF and a resistor 50 ohms are connected in series across a source of EMF where voltage is equals to 10 sin 314t. The power loss in the circuit is 0.79 watt, 2.74 watt, 0.43 watt or 1.13 watt. The power dissipated in an LCR series connected to an AC source of EMF E. So the power is E RMS I RMS and cos is equals to E square RMS into R by Z square. So after solving this, we will get E square RMS into R and Z square will be converted to R square plus omega OL minus 1 by CW power square. Above will be the same only, and after putting the values, E square will be 10 by root 2 square and R will be 50 and R is 50 and W is 314 into 20 that is L into 10 to the power 3 minus 1 by this whole, that is 314 into 100 into 10 to the power minus 6, and after solving this whole equation we will get 0.79 watt. So our answer is, first let's see in the next slide what is the correct answer. Yes, the answer is option number 1. We are absolutely correct.